Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the WordPress form plugins. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now a WordPress form plugin, it's something handy to have, especially if you want your customers or visitors to get in touch with yourself. So this would be when the visitor or user is given the option to place their contact details into a form box. So it'll have your name, last name, you'll have bits and pieces like your email, phone number, address if you want to apply that. So it could be towards like say a quote for something, like a postcode, anything like that, so that the person that you're trying to contact will get back in touch with you. And that's what enables the form plugin to be so useful. So there's actually a list of reasons as to why it is handy to have the WordPress plugin form. So with the multiple reasons, first one there is the contact and communication. Now a contact form allows visitors to reach out to you easily instead of displaying an email address, which can be vulnerable to spam. A form provides a secure and convenient way for visitors to send you messages, inquiries, or feedback. So that's what I was explaining earlier on. So the visitor is able to apply and enter some of their details in, and therefore you yourself as a business can get in touch with them directly, especially if they have a question and you're willing to answer it, or as I said, a quote that you need to hand out. Now, next one there is the lead generation and data collection. So forms can be used to collect valuable information from visitors, and this could be their names, email addresses, phone numbers, or specific details relevant to your business. Now this data could be used for lead generation, building customer profiles, or segmenting your audience for targeted marketing efforts. So that's another great way to have it, especially if you've ever noticed where you've entered your details in for a pretty big company. You've noticed that they actually send you automated emails and marketing, and of course I know it can get annoying, but that's their way of trying to engage you as a customer and trying to give you promotions, or if they're stating the fact that you've left your a couple of items in a basket, things like that. So abandoned cart recovery, that's what that would be. And then the next one there is to have a customized user feedback. So forms can include specific fields or questions to gather feedback from users about their experiences, suggestions, or preferences. So this feedback helps you understand your audience better, improve your products or services, and make informed business decisions. So that's another great way as to why you would have to have a form. Gives the user an option to put their name down or be anonymous, and basically give their review on your product or your service. And of course that's applicable to your website, helps give your business a good name, and helps you understand where you've went wrong, things like that. So it's very handy to have that sort of suggestion. You've also got the likes of registration and membership. So forms can be utilized for user registration, allowing visitors to create accounts, sign up for memberships, or access restricted content on your website. So this is particularly useful for e-commerce sites, community platforms, and online courses, or even any website that requires user registration. Now, next one there is booking and appointment requests. So if you don't specifically offer a booking area, maybe you can inquire about it. So if you offer services or appointments, forms can serve as a booking system. So visitors can request appointments, specify their preferred dates and times, provide necessary details, things like that. So this streamlines the appointment scheduling process and reduces manual coordination. So you don't have to apply everything on the book. Next is the surveys and polls. So Forms are effective for conducting surveys or polls to gather opinions, preferences, or feedback from your audience. You can create custom questionnaires, multiple choice quizzes, or rating systems to collect data and analyze responses. So that's another really good thing to have, which is to have a survey and a poll. Now you want to get everybody's feedback, so that's more or less what customized user feedback is, but mainly a poll. It just makes it easier for the user, just click a couple of buttons and yes or no. So that would be something useful to have. Now, having a form enables the user or visitor to sign up to a newsletter. Now, forms can be used to capture email addresses and allow visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or mailing list. Now, this helps you as a user or a website owner to gather an audience or a subscriber base, nurture leads, and maintain regular communication with your audience. So it's something that you may want to have. Last, of course, is just to have that customer support and feedback. Now, it's always very handy for a customer to get back to you. Now, forms can be used as a support channel, enabling visitors to submit support requests or troubleshoot issues. Additionally, forms can include specific fields or users to provide relevant information to assist your supporting team in addressing their needs efficiently. So now that we've had a good rundown through some of the features and reasons as to why you would have the Forms plugins, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the different plugins that you can go ahead and download. Now, adding a plugin is a simple, straightforward process. All it requires you to do is just go to the plugin section here, add new, and then search for the plugin you like. So if you were to search a form, there are plenty of ones to choose from. So there's a couple there. So Contact Form 7. So I would say that this is a widely used and free form plugin for WordPress. It allows you to create simple contact forms using shortcode. It also supports the use of CAPTCHA. You've got file uploads and custom form fields, and it's highly customizable, but this may require some technical knowledge like HTML and CSS, so something basic in coding for advanced configurations. So you can read more about it, check out the description, FAQ, you've got everything there, and the reviews. Now there's other ones like WPForms. Now this one is a beginner friendly form as well. It's a drag and drop interface, offers a wide range of form templates as well, customization options and features such as conditional logic, file uploads, payment integrations, and email notifications. So quite a lot of different options there. It also states it there, drag and drop online form builder to create beautiful and contact forms, payment forms. You've got it all there pretty much. Formidable Forms, that's another good one. So this is a form builder plugin suitable for creating complex forms. So that's what's great about it. It provides advanced features like calculations, conditional logic, front-end editing, data visualization, and integrations with payment gateways and third-party services. So another one that you may want to go ahead and consider using. Now there's plenty more to choose from. I think they should all be here. Another one that I would recommend to use is the Ninja Forms. Hopefully it's here. So Ninja Forms Contact Form. It's a flexible and extendable form plugin, and it offers a drag and drop builder. It includes various field types, anti-spam features, conditional logic, integrations with email marketing services and CRM platforms. Something that you may want to consider since it's got email marketing as well, so that helps boost up your, depending if you have an e-commerce website, you want to do the email marketing, that's a plus for your website. There are, I would say, the most popular one that is used, as well as the WPForms, which is Gravity Forms. So WP, let's see. There is a plugin that would be for WPForms. Now, WPForms is a feature-rich form builder plugin that offers advanced functionality, provides a powerful form editor, conditional logic, multi-page forms, file uploads, integrations, and it also has popular services like PayPal and MailChimp. So if it's not located on the actual area there, you can go ahead and pay for it, download it, and add it to WordPress. It'll be a separate sort of plugin to use, so pretty much just drag and drop onto the WordPress itself. And if you are installing a separate plugin, just select the upload plugin on the top and then choose the file, and you're able to drag and drop that particular plugin. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you did enjoy. And of course, if you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. That's pretty much everything that you would need to know in terms of the form plugins. There's several ones to choose from, so just choose one and see which one would be good for your website. As I've said, there's plenty of choices there. But yes, hopefully this gives you an idea on some of the forms that you can use. So work away at them and use them. Plenty to customize as well to suit the website's theme. But anyway, that's it for the video, and I'll see you for the next one, guys. Thank you very much for watching.